Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and I'm the Mediocre Modeler, and I want to thank everybody for checking out my video. This is my entry into the Porsche Group Build. This is the second annual, hosted by the Fab Four over there at the Scale Model Car podcast. Matt over at the TheLukaCeeChannel, Brian over at BGsModelWorkshop, Chuck over at Chuck's Hobby Spot, and Jason over at Blue Ox Model Shop. And so yeah, this is the second annual, and I wanted to get into last year's, but I didn't have a Porsche. So I call it Porsche, whatever. Yeah, so I wanted to get in, but I didn't have a Porsche, so I was at a model show and I won this. So this is going to be my entry into the group build. It's a Porsche 918 Spyder. And this thing has like 3 motors. It's a pretty cool car and super fast. And I think I'm going to do it in red. So yeah, go check out those guys' channel and those guys. I cracked myself up. So yeah, this is going to be my entry into it, and let's turn this camera around and we'll show you what's inside. So this is a Porsche 918 Spyder by Revell, 124 scale, kit number 07026, and let's get this thing open. I'll just pour everything out. Put this over here. Okay, first thing we have, the instructions. It's got a little bit of history of the car, and here's all the parts. What a beautiful car this is. This thing's got a 8-cylinder naturally aspirated V8 engine and 2 electric motors. Top speeds were like 220 miles an hour. I never built a sports car before. Should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I've decided I'm going to be painting this in factory red. Here's the decals, decals, Porsche. Here's it clear. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. It's going to be a little while before I even need them. Yep, computer's going off, shutting down in the background. What a beautiful seats. Got the interior tub, steering wheel. Looks like a door. Doors open up on this. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I think they do. I haven't looked at the instructions yet. Who needs instructions? Yep, so this carbon fiber chassis, the bottom of the chassis, carbon fiber. So I don't know. I might get some decals. We'll see. I don't know exactly where I'm going to go with this, but everything looks, I'll tell you, everything looks really, really crisp. And I can't see much flash at all. Here's the body. What a beautiful body this is. German engineering at its finest. I think this is a little out of my wheelhouse, though, as far as financially. Nice wheels. I'll be, I don't know if I'm going to go with these wheels or aftermarket. We'll see. Exhaust tips. Nice chrome tree. Tires look really, really nice. Good tread on them. So there you have it. My entry into the 2024 Porsche Porsche Group Build. Thanks for joining me.